So we all know that we are supposed to be brushing twice a day, and but how do we do it effectively, or what's the correct way to do it? On paper, in theory, the correct way to brush your teeth is by this technique called the modified Bars technique, which tells you to, hold your toothbrush at an angle of 45 degrees, etc., etc. But, what is it and how do we do it? I'm going to demonstrate that on the model to make it easy for you to understand. Okay, so this is the model. These are your upper teeth. These are your lower teeth. Now, what you have to do is put your brush at the junction where the gums and the teeth meet, right? So just put it at an angle, 45 degree, and then there's a small vibratory motion and swipe it down. Small vibratory motion, swipe it down. That's for the upper teeth. You repeat it for the entire, upper jaw. For the lower teeth, it's a small vibratory motion, slide it up. Small vibratory motion, slide it up. That is for all the outer surfaces. But your teeth don't just have the surfaces which are on display. You have to address the other surfaces too. Let's go to the surface which helps you chew, right? So it's just a back and forth motion, right? For all those surfaces. And then we go to the most neglected part, which is the inner surface, right? This part and this part. These surfaces are the ones which have the maximum accumulation. So for these, you keep your brush vertical and just do that, right? Vertical and just do that, right? Again, for the inside, other insides. Okay. Now, what I recommend or what I like to do is that on each surface, you just count 10. When you do that, you invariably land up brushing for around, 1.5 to 2 minutes, which is more than enough. So now that you know the correct way of brushing, happy brushing and do it the right way.